Welcome viewer. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 10 update error code solved. First method is type services in Windows search bar. Click services. Open Windows Update Service, stop the service, apply, OK. Open Cryptographic Service, stop the service. Open Background Intelligent Transfer Service, stop the service. Open File Explorer. This PC, C drive, open Windows folder. Rename Software Distribution folder to Software Distribution.old. Open System32 folder. Rename Catra2 folder to Catra2.old. Start the service already stopped. Close and restart system. Second method is click Start, Settings, click Windows Update and Security. Click Troubleshoot, click Additional Troubleshooters. Click Windows Update, click Run the Troubleshooter. Third method is open any browser. Type Windows Download in browser search bar. Click Update now. Open downloaded file. Fourth method is open any browser. Type Windows Download in browser search bar. Click Download Windows 10 disk image. Click Download tool now. Click Accept. Select Windows and keep personal files and apps. Click Install. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.